Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make any Salesforce record as a favorite. So whenever you want to open any Salesforce record without going to the all records, so let's assume you want to make this Edge Communications account as favorites and this account you want regularly. So to open this account detail page, you need to do, you click on this account, then come to this all accounts and then search for in search this list. You will search for this Edge Communication, but you can directly open this record. So by making this record as a favorite, so in that way you can open this record quickly. So today I am going to show you how to make the record favorites. It's very simple. This is the star icon you can see on hover. It's showing me the add favorite. So first, you need to open the account detail page which you want to make it favorite. Then after you need to click on the star button. Then you will see the pop-up message like the Edge Communications was added to your favorites. Okay. Then here is the arrow. Click on it, and here you can see it gets added into the my favorites. Okay. Now I want to so whenever I log into the org, I am able to see the home page. Now I want to directly open the Edge Communication detail page. So what I will do is I will just click on this arrow icon and then click on this Edge Communication. Yeah, here we go. It's quickly open the detail page of the account Edge Communications. Okay, in this phase, I want to make this chain contact as a favorite. So same thing I will do it, like I will open the detail page of this contact and then I will click on this add favorites icon. Okay. To I will make one opportunity as well in favorites. I open the detail page, then I click on this star icon and it gets added into my favorites. Okay, yeah, now here you can see it. When you click on this edit button, this one, okay, on double click, it gets removed from favorites. It's added. Okay, then second time when you click it, it's removed. Okay, now here also you will see the edit favorite option. Okay, if you want to add one more thing into this favorite, then you can just need to find from this search box and you can add it. Okay, so by doing this you can move up down. I just press it and move it, and here you can rename this by using this edit icon. And if you want to remove these favorites from this favorite list, then click on this cross button, click on OK, done. Now here you can see it gets removed from favorites. Okay, these are the things which are related to the favorites, add favorite functionality. Yeah, thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel and do let me know if you have any questions by adding comment.